Welcome back. In this video, you will be learning how to effectively post on Quora. Well, you cannot just randomly write something on Quora and expect people will click and watch your video. It does not work that way, and it will never work. So I started my Quora account about 4 years back, and I really started to get real active last year as I can see the potential of it on driving traffic to my channel. So I have a couple of thousand of views on all of my articles. Not too bad for a short couple of months work. You might be interested to know how effective is forum in driving traffic to your channel. Well, just let me show you some real stats from my own account. So this stat is from the 1st of January until the 31st of January 2020. I have generated 5,200 external traffic to my YouTube channel, and out of this, which is about 1.9% from Reddit, and 21 views, 0.4% from Quora Android, and 5 views, which is 0.1% from Quora.com. So it helped me to generate 156 views from Quora, which is 2.4% of the external traffic. While it may seem not a lot, but it actually makes more impact than it seems because of these factors. These 2.4% of people from Quora is much more quality as they watch your YouTube because they acknowledge that you are pro in what you are talking, and this lead to the next impact that which they will be most likely to watch your others video and also take whatever actions that you ask them to do, such as subscribe to your YouTube channel or buy your products. So what is the proper way or the best way to post your video on Quora? If you are going to spam on Quora, your post will be taken down, and also your account might be blacklisted by Quora and you are not going to be able to post anymore. So do not do such nonsense things. Before I create a video, I will write a script for my video. So all I do is that I will look for questions on Quora. I will grade my readers on opening paragraph and paste my script onto the questions with my video link, and write something like this. Below is a transcript of above video. For a better learning experience, kindly watch above video. By doing this, people are acknowledged on what are they going to get from this post, and they are more likely to watch your video on YouTube. Things that you should not be doing: include tons of links on Quora is a big no. Just include something light, like check out my channel or support my channel. Then include your YouTube link by copy and paste your channel link over here. Do not be pushy at all. I never ask my readers to buy anything from my answer. Do not copy and paste others people's work to your answer. You will be banned by Quora. So that's it for now. Your task for this video will be look for 2 questions that are related to your video and answer it. I will see you on the next lecture. Hey guys, how is things going? I really hope that you start implementing everything that you have learned so far. Nothing works unless you take actions. Alright, so the very next thing that you are going to learn to drive more traffic to your channel is through creating online courses in Udemy or other similar platform. And I am going to show you exactly how I do it. So the methodology is very similar with email marketing, where we collect students' information in Udemy by giving out free courses and direct them to our YouTube channel every time we have a new video. So this is the blueprint. The easiest way to create an online course is to compile your short YouTube video in a systematic way and publish it on Udemy. So for example, as you can see, I have tons of video that talks about dropshipping on my playlist. And most of this video does not created randomly. Instead, I created these videos in a sequence. So I have video that teaches how to set up an account, how does dropshipping works, and how to drive traffic, etc. So my advice to you is that do not randomly create a video on your YouTube. Instead, select a topic and plan it like a course and drip it out on your YouTube channel in a proper sequence so that you can publish it on Udemy at the same time as well. So you do not need to do like a double work, which you are going to create another course on your Udemy. So as long as you publish it on your YouTube channel, then you get to publish it on your Udemy as well. So with all these videos I have, all I need to do now is to publish all these small short videos on Udemy and arrange it to make it as a course. Since it is free, people will not mind to enroll into it. Believe it or not, even though you need to pay for it, people will still get it, and a lot of online coaches are doing this actually. So once you have students enrolled, all you need to do now is to send an announcement to these students regarding your new YouTube video and drive them to your channel. For example, I have a few thousand of students enrolled in my dropshipping course, and all I need to do now is to go to announcement on Udemy and send them a message saying that I have a new videos up, check it out. I can show you some of the messages that I send out to my students. Just be aware, none of my messages is a buying or affiliate link. All of my announcements are educational and able to help my students to grow their business. You may get your Udemy account banned if you include any affiliate links inside your announcement. So, content and value always come first. There are limitations on this method though. Although it is a very fast way to accumulate a huge number of students in a short amount of time by publishing a free course, but the students that enroll is not really that quality. As people that join in will not actually watch your course, and because it is free, that's why they join. Well, I would say a good 5 to 10% of your total amount of students are really interested on your course, and you can drive these students to your channel. Second, Udemy only allows 4 announcements per month, so you're only able to send 4 messages to your students in a month. That's it for now. Your task for this video is to plan out a course, drip it out on your YouTube channel and publish it on Udemy. I will see you next.